In areas where livestock are raised, there are cultivated lands eagerly awaiting rain, and animals that will live with you and relieve your stress. The first of these is chickens. Chickens are bold animals that enter our rooms to eat our food, or even our leftovers, so to speak. They are thus considered food thieves, or more accurately, when we are late in feeding them, they approach us shamelessly to demand food. The second animal is the cat. Cats are pets that court you to gain your affection and food, in addition to getting rid of mice. They are distinguished by their soft texture and beauty. The third is the quail. As you can see, it is white in color, and is very wary of humans. It also has the ability to escape, maneuver, and fly. Here we turn to chickens, which we benefit from, especially this type, local chickens, when it comes to laying eggs. They are known for their quick flight and are not easily caught. There are other animals like this one, I hope you know it. Another thing we see is this chick, who looks tired and sick. Although she has a strong immune system, she could die due to poor heating. His friends seem to pity him. Let's not forget insects, too, like this one with its strange shape. Glory be to the Creator. At night, we watch cats cleaning their hands after a delicious mouse meal, or after the food we gave them. Don't be surprised by a rooster, it crows at any time. Last among animals are wolves. No, 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 there aren't any in Aleppo.